Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode here at Tribal Trades, the altcoin show, coming at you daily from the great state of Florida. One hell of a drug. And I do want to welcome you to the channel wherever you are tuning in from around the world. Thanks for watching today. We're going to talk about how being an early investor in this space could make you millions. We're going to talk about that in just a moment. But before we do, of course, you know what I'm going to say next? Smash the like button. This helps get this channel out to more people and does help support the channel. I do appreciate the kind words that people take the time to write, and I do take the time to read and respond to every single one of those left in the comment section. And those of you who leave questions in the comment section, I do get back to you as soon as I am able to, with an emphasis on as soon as I am able to, okay? And of course, for those of you who are not part of a crypto community and would love to join me in the Stocks with Josh Discord with the most amazing people on the planet, below in the description of this video, you might have to click the more button. That will pop out, and right at the top, you can select a plan there, and I would love for you to join me in there. You can ask me questions, engage with me in there. I am in the crypto channel there daily. There's a newly created meme coin channel in there as well. The party zone, as I've dubbed it, it's the party zone of the Discord. And then, of course, I have my own Crowned Traders channel in there where I share educational content, resources. I share some of my trades that I'm taking and the setups, and, of course, entertainment, because I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Are you not entertained? And so, absolutely fantastic. All right, well, let's jump into the show. And so, of course, you know what I'm going to be talking about. It's the Sui meme coin sector. Now, the meme coins have been the biggest gainers in this entire crypto space, but it's being in the right meme coins at the right time and being in early, okay? Sui is in the midst of a super cycle. When Solana exploded, its meme coins went from zero to billions. And so being early in the meme coins in Sui, I think we've already seen it here with, of course, Was and Sonic. And I actually alerted the Discord community to Sonic at 2 cents. Look what happened from 2 cents. This is the alert that I sent out here down at 2 cents. I also gave it at 3 cents, and then I gave it at 6 cents. I gave that in the Discord and to the YouTube community here at 6 cents, okay? Now, of course, I'm running out of space on this chart to see what has happened. 18,000% gain. So I gave that call, and it's still going. It's sitting at around $4. It topped at around $4.77. And one user had sent an email how $1,600 that they put into Sonic. And remember, don't risk money that you cannot afford to lose. Imagine if Sonic gets to $40 and you say, well, how can it get to $40? Because its supply is only 10 million, just like Banana Gun. Let me show you the Banana Gun chart here. Also has a supply of only 10 million tokens, and they do revenue share. So I know some of you got some free tokens in the airdrop from Sonic, and you do have to be one of their higher holders in their upper echelon of holders. And so some of you are and receive those tokens. But look at Banana Gun. I first shared about Banana Gun at $29. That was my first buys down here of Banana Gun. And it took off like a rocket ship. Those of you who joined me on that trade, I gave it again around the 200 EMA on the daily. And then again, one more time here around this 48. There, this was just recent. This was been a good pickup. I certainly picked up some more Banana Gun here as well. And so you saw this one soar all the way to this had a high of around $80. And so we certainly could. I'm not saying, look, this is not financial advice, of course. You know, I'm not predicting that it's going to go to $80, but it has the potential to go to $80. Maybe it only goes to $30. Maybe it only goes to $20. That would still be another 500% move from here. This token doesn't even have an exchange listing here. And so I'd love, if you want to see this token get an exchange listing, go to their X page, give them a follow, number one. Let's find that here. Give them a follow, number one. Sonic Snipebot, there it is there. And then number two, give them a shout out in the comments, tagging the exchange that you would like to see listed on. Mexi, I think, would be a great exchange. Bybit would be a great exchange, maybe even on Qcoin or BitGet. I mean, the exchange that lists this coin first is going to be the leading exchange, in my opinion. They are going to get a lot of people to come and buy this token about what we've seen and the potential of what we saw with Banana Gun. I would be shocked. I would be very surprised if Sonic do not get an exchange listing in this bull market, okay? And so please, if you can, give them a shout out, give them a follow, and then let's tag and also tag Mexi and give Mexi a bit of a shout out there. They seem to be the place where the Sui meme coins are listed first. This is a meme coin that has utility. It's a sniping bot, and it has more functionality and more chains than Banana Gun. Banana Gun is only doing, I believe, unless they've added to it, of course, you can correct me in the comments, Ethereum, Base, and Solana, where the Sonic Snipe bot does a whole lot more chains than that. They do also virtuals, they leave Avalanche, and of course Sui as well, which Banana Gun I don't believe does Sui, and they also do a whole lot of others. You can find it on my X account as well, where I have posted all the different chains that they are trading. So that is Sonic. So since we gave that trade at 2 cents, this has taken off like a rocket ship into space there. There are some of the other ones that we have shared, such as Susi here, and Susi also has taken off in a big way. And it's important to say, look, have they maintained this upward trajectory? Well, there's the entry there. We gave the entry there in the Discord at 0.000118, and you can see now that this went up to 1 cent. And so we dropped 2 zeros off this, okay? So you might think, oh, I wasn't in the Discord and I missed it. Well, you didn't miss it because it went in the Discord here on the 2nd of December. I think it was, I believe, the 2nd or the 3rd of December. And 0.00018. So you could have bought this token. Even if you'd bought this token, let's use our little measuring tool. Even if you were late to the party and you bought this token on a pullback here on the 7th of December, you still would have made 450%. You would have 4 extra money, even if you'd bought it on that dip. Now, even if you'd bought it at the top of this dip, as long as you hadn't panic sold, and if you bought even at the top of this dip here at 005, you still would have made there over 130% on this one there as well. You could have been really late to the party here, and you could have bought this one on this dip here on the 12th of December. Okay, on the 12th of December, you could have bought a just-in-case bag. And this one here would have taken you up over 100%. So what I wanted to let people know is that, yes, it goes out into the Discord first, but even if you miss it, I want you to pay attention to the market cap. If the market cap is still low, remember we shared blub. I've shared blub on this channel, and I've shared blub on the Stocks with Josh channel. And of course, I want you to, hopefully you'll join me over on that channel today at around 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live show where a new Sui meme play is coming out. But even if you did miss this jump, and there was quite a lot of opportunity actually to get into this play. There was quite a lot of opportunity. Initially, it was only like a 600% jump. It went from 0.00018 to around 0.0006. And so what is that? That was let's stretch this out. I just want to give you some context here for this, where people think, oh no, I missed out. You had this took off on the 5th of December. Okay, the 5th of December. We shared this on the 3rd of December in the Discord. And those in the Discord made a good few 100% their gain on this token. Okay, yeah, it's not bad. 300% gain or whatever. But there was many days that there could have been buying opportunities, and this pump looks pretty massive. We stretch it out. Actually, if we're going to go, okay, we stretch this out. People would say this is what it looked like at the time. And there's the bull flag. And people are like, oh, no, I don't want to buy here. Oh, it's a pump and dump. Oh, wow. Imagine if you'd bought that dip. And there we go on the 3rd of December, bang, and off it went. And we held there, and then we have not looked back there since. And even then, there has been other opportunities to get into this play. So what I'm sharing here today is the importance of understanding that I feel we are still so early for the sector, the Sui meme coin sector. It's going to be on Phantom soon. This is the home of meme coins on Solana, the Phantom wallet, where you're going to be able to use your Solana or USDC on Solana to trade Sui meme coins, which you can't right now, but you will be able to soon. And so what you can see is, imagine once people can buy Susi on Solana, once they can buy Sui Jack, Sui meme on Solana, okay? Once they can buy the Sonic meme coin on Solana, okay? So these are just, and of course we've got Cappo. Once they can buy the Cappo meme coin on Solana. So if you look into this, and let's have a look at Sui Jack. Sui Jack's another great example of a meme coin that we shared first in the Discord, okay? And as you can see, the same thing. We shared this over here on around the 7th of December. So there's the bull flag right there, and there's the breakout from the bull flag. And it looked like we might be forming another bull flag. What would be, again, I'm going to share this again, that what would be my play? What would be my play if I did not have any of this coin? Wow, that is quite a move there. I think we've hit 001 there as well. I'm going to have to draw another trend line there. But I would look, and I'm going to show you right here, and this is what I showed yesterday, and I'll show because there's some new people here there, is that I would look at getting in on a retest of support. Go down to the hourly time frame. There's the retest of support there. And I would buy a just-in-case bag. So if I've got $300 to spend on this meme, I would look at buying $100 of it there just in case. Just in case it keeps going up, then I've got some skin in the game. So just in case it keeps going up, and just in case it suddenly goes down, I can have some more buy orders down at these lower levels, and I've covered myself with the just-in-case buying strategy, okay? So as you can see now, we're below this level, so I wouldn't buy right now on this one, but if it pops back up and retests as support, that would be my entry. Otherwise, I'd look at my just-in-case buy to be at this level here at 0008, for example, for Sui Jack. Let's go for another one. But again, if you had missed when this was shared in the Discord, okay, over here, you still could have gotten in this play. You still could have gotten in this play on the very 2 days later. You could have got it on the dip 2 days later. You could have been 2 days late to this play, and you still would have made, what have we got here? Okay. You still would have made, I still can't get it. You still would have made 400% if you'd been 2 days late. And I don't believe this move is yet over yet. I don't believe this move is yet. I believe these meme coins still have some life in them, okay? Let's look at one of the other plays here. Let's look at Cappo. So Cappo here's where we shared the play. I'm going to move this chart over a little bit here. So the Cappo play, let's have a look. So here's where we shared this. This was a more recent play that we shared on the 10th of December, Cappo. So we saw Cappo come up. Now, you could have gone the dip on that. You could have been a day late to this and bought this on the dip. And if you'd done this, if you'd been a day late to it and bought it on the dip, for example, let's have a Cappo. And can someone see another bull flag coming on this here? If you'd gotten in on the original play there, 400 or 500% there. I'm not going to measure that. That's a great move. I want to measure where if you'd gotten in a day late. If you've gotten in a day late, you would have still made almost well over 100% on this play. And I don't think this move is finished yet, by the way. So this is one of the newer plays. So again, what would I be doing? It would be a just-in-case bag buy on this play. So we're currently at 15. So actually here we are right at a key resistance and support level there at 15, 0.0015. And so if this, and then I would go to the smaller time frames like an hour or a minute, 15 minutes, or even on the 5-minute time frame as well. If that retests the support, that's where I put my just-in-case bag buy. okay? And then if it does drop down to the lower levels, I use other money and I'm just nibbling at these levels. I'm just nibbling at these levels. And then if it comes down a little bit lower, like we get a significant retrace down to here, then I would be picking up and I would have more buys there, okay? Let's look at one more because this was the play from yesterday. Okay, this is the icy play. Now, this was a little bit different because this is on Solana, and I see yet another bull flag pattern here, okay, taking shape. And so, again, if you had gotten in when we shared it on the Discord, all right, let's measure this out here. We've gone up, and that is a 658% or around about close to a 650% gain. But there, if you have bought on the pullback there, and of course, this is an area of interest there as well. Actually, we might need to go to the hour time frame because there was a wick there, a couple of wicks there that supported, and we're seeing bull flag. There's a bull flag on the hour time frame. That's a nice little bull flag that we're seeing there. And so if that breaks out, that's going to go a lot higher. So how am I treating this one as well? Okay, so I'm looking at the same situation here that I would be buying a just in case bag buy of a little bit of icy. I've quickly added some Fibonacci's there, and you can see some levels of interest there that we have for the icy token. This was our latest play that we just had. And so around that 39 level would be a really strong buy area of interest for me. I would think there, even if you got down to 0.003 would be another one there. And of course, that would be another area to load up there at 0.002. We're at 0.0, where are we now? At 0.047. So we are above this Fibonacci level here. So this could be a place where a just in case bag was purchased, for example, on this token here. We'll just put that little line in there. That's enough. There we go. So we are right on top of that. And that's where you go down. You can go right down on the 5-minute time frame and say, okay, here we are here. So for me, if we come down and we hold this as support, then that's where I possibly put a just in case bag buy. You know, $30, $50. There, I wouldn't put my whole bag there at this level. I would certainly look at some of these coming down and having other buys down this level there, because you don't want to go in here and you go in and then you have a big retracement and go, oh, I can't buy down lower. Or again, any of these coins, they could go to zero. Meme coins, a lot of meme coins do go to zero. I believe that we have selected very good quality projects, however, and of course, that's not saying that they can't go to zero. Something could happen. They could get hacked. They could get rugged. Anything could happen. So don't risk money that you cannot afford to lose. All right, we're going to wrap it up there today. I am going to be on the Stocks with Josh YouTube show, 11 a.m., around 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, with the Sui Meme Coin Challenge, the $1,000 to $100,000. Somebody's almost made that already with $1,600 to $97,000. So until then, until the next episode, see me over at Josh's show today and every day over there. Until then, happy trading.